If you're over 60, try these veggies to beat sarcopenia and build muscle quickly. For years, experts have told people over 60 the same thing. Eat more protein from eggs, chicken, or beef to stop losing muscle. Many older folks follow this advice, loading up on meat or extra milk, but they still feel weak and watch their strength fade. Why? Animal protein isn't the full solution. Here's the surprising fact. Researchers are finding certain vegetables packed with muscle-protecting nutrients that match or even beat animal protein in battling sarcopenia. These plants give more than just vitamins and fiber. They provide leucine, magnesium, nitrates, and plant chemicals that wake up your muscles to grow again. Even after long-term loss, they boost strength at the cell level, fix energy systems, and cut hidden swelling that stops muscle fixes. Think about getting leg power back from a bowl of greens, not another steak. Imagine standing up from a chair easily thanks to a simple veggie that rebuilt you overnight, not a forced egg. This isn't just an idea, it's real for seniors picking the right foods now. Today we'll share these veggies step by step, the forgotten ones that turn weakness into power and frailty into freedom. The first one might be in your kitchen already, showing that nature's fix isn't always meat. Before we start, subscribe so you catch all our senior health tips. Comment where you're watching from. I read everyone, and it's great seeing this group of strong, lively seniors grow daily. Amaranth leaves, used for ages in Asia and Africa. This simple green is full of muscle-saving power. It has up to 3.8 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus lysine, a key amino acid missing in many grain diets. Lysine helps your body use protein to rebuild muscles well. Without it, strength slips even if you eat enough. Amaranth also has calcium, magnesium, and iron for strong bones, good blood flow, and steady energy, all key against sarcopenia. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food Science called it one of few greens with all amino acids like some animal foods. Cook it easy. Sauté with garlic. Add to soups or blend in smoothies. Swap rice for amaranth greens daily for better legs, balance, and lost energy. Comment 1 if you're following. Moringa leaves. At 68, Maria felt weak despite eggs and milk. Adding dried moringa to soup changed that. Her hands steadied and she carried bags again. Dried moringa has 27% protein with all 9 essential amino acids, like meat, but easier to digest. It adds vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants like quercetin to fight swelling, protect cells, and boost blood flow for muscle repair. A phytotherapy research study showed it cuts aging tissue damage. Use powder in soups, teas, or smoothies. Sauté fresh leaves. A bit daily restores strength quietly. Sweet potato leaves. Mr. Johnson, 72, tossed these away until a fall weakened his legs. Eating them in soups helped. Energy returned. Legs steadied. They have polyphenols and flavonoids to fight stress and swelling, plus vitamin C, carotenoids, and protein for recovery. A 2013 food chemistry study said their antioxidants match green tea. They add iron and calcium for blood and bones. Sauté, boil, or steam them. Their sweet taste is easy daily. Mustard greens. These pack vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium for bone and muscle work, plus glucosinolates that turn into anti-swelling compounds. A 2018 nutrient study showed they protect aging tissues. Antioxidants like vitamin C calm inflammation that eats muscle. Mrs. Land's stiffness eased after adding them to soups. Stir-fry, steam, or add to broths. Their bite signals healing. Asparagus. George, 74, tired fast on walks until asparagus boosted stamina. It's rich in glutathione, a top antioxidant against sarcopenia, plus vitamins E, K, and folate for repair and oxygen flow. A Journal of Food Science report praised its antioxidants. Steam or grill with oil for best absorption. Bitter melon. Mr. Michael, 69, had sugar swings weakening him. Bitter melon soup steadied energy and walks. It has charentin and polypeptide P for blood sugar control. 2016 Journal of Ethnopharmacology, plus vitamin C and flavonoids against swelling. Stir fry, simmer, or stuff it. Bitterness fades when cooked. Okra. James, 71, felt sore despite meat until okra eased aches. It has vitamin C, antioxidants, and magnesium for muscle function, plus fiber for better nutrient uptake. A 2020 Journal of Nutritional Science study showed it cuts fatigue. Simmer in soups or stir-fry. Cabbage. Mrs. Evelyn, 76, ate it for comfort. It kept her absorption strong. It has vitamin C and K plus vitamin U for gut health and better protein use. Compounds fight inflammation. Ferment into sauerkraut or steam for soups. Many eat veggies wrong, losing benefits. Don't overcook, boil or fry too long, kills vitamins. Pair with proteins like beans or fish. Veggies aren't enough alone. Aid digestion. Ferment cabbage to avoid bloating. Vary them.